Coming out here today, little city pond, see if we can catch some fish.
I just don't mind catching them. Oh, I hear you. But you think you got better bass in here?
This is a good one.
There's a lot of crappie in that one?
Yeah.
Is there?
I caught a couple of 2 pounds.
Hold him up there.
Well, then that's the one we should be hitting.
There you go.
That's right, we should go. I don't know if there's going to be enough ice on this.
Too many clips to edit.
I want to buy a GoPro 8 or something.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
This is like I got this one for $38.
How long does it last?
What the heck?
I thought that too.
Oh, I've got some clips on here. Oh, one of us has got something. Should just throw him on there on a hook. Catch a catfish.
Ooh, nice one over there. Is that bigger?
Alright, so drill another hole over there, so that's coming back. Where the hell are all the big ones, though?
You should buy a camera. Or I can have Eddie just drill another one.
You know what might work is that ball thing you got, Eddie, that sonar thing for your phone.
Oh yeah. Why is there so much water sitting out?
Because you just walked over here next to 3 of us.
That's not good. I don't like that. I'm gonna stay away from you.
That's terrible.
It is a lot of water. That tells me water's coming out on top. You better be watching that. That's not good. That means the ice is sinking a little. Let's start making holes over there.
I don't know. I'm going to go check this one we drilled first now.
Oh man, he swallowed her. Oh, I missed him. Old buggers. Little bitty dinks.
Where do you catch those, those bluegills? Oh, you got one.
Oh man, there's a nice one.
Ooh, big bass.
Ooh.
Nice. How'd you do that? That's huge. Woo!
There's a lot of crappie in that one?
Yeah.
Is there?
I caught a couple of 2 pounds.
Hold him up there.
Well, then that's the one we should be hitting.
There you go.
That's right, we should go. I don't know if there's going to be enough ice on
All I'm
there.
doing is catching fucking little ones.
Why do you have to cuss all the time?
Oh. I'm gonna use a.
Alright, I'm going
I'm gonna
live.
use a black wax one and see what happens. One is dead. See if they like that. It's still soft, but it's died, you know.
Yeah.
That was like tall.
This is deep.
What's that?
It's deep right here.
10 foot. But it says 10 and a half, maybe 11. There we go. That's acting like a little bigger one. Oh, there's a bigger bluegill. That one's big enough to eat.
You want to eat some?
I love bluegill. They're fabulous. But I don't know. He might be big. Go ahead. We'll keep him.
Need another waxy. tore me up.
If they got back on them, they'll be funny. I think I lost my wax ring.
Oh, little bass.
Bass?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Not as big as Toby's.
A fish is a fish. Little dinky. Jeez. Yeah, Eddie just caught this one. Savage little beast. See how many times we can catch that one little bass.
I want to catch the big one you threw in.
Should have marked him. I think there's a ton of them that size in here, but
Oh, I think I got one. My line.
this dinky little thing. Oh, I do got your line.
I was like, what the hell? Man, I wish today was Saturday or something.
Oh, we got off. Second it hits the bottom, it just powerhouse in it. Yeah. He's a little smaller than that last one. Ooh. Look at the belly on that little guy.
Not a Toby fish, but
Nice.
Bring my wife out here next time.
Came out here to do some ice fishing with some buddies. Did pretty good. If you liked the video, be sure to hit like and subscribe. There's more ice fishing coming.